Well, hello everyone. Today I have something beautiful to share. It's probably going to come as a surprise to a lot of you who know me, but otherwise it's something that I thought I should share. So I'm on a leave right now, medical leave, because I have anxiety and I have some depression happening in my life. You know, I'm happy, I'm a positive person, but I've taken a lot of things on my plate lately so that I went into overwhelm. And I just felt like I was sad and frustrated because, you know, I felt that I was like not doing anything considering that I was doing a lot. So I think that's what contributed to my current state of mind. So I went to the doctor, I did my test, and he said, yes, you need a break. You need a break. So I'm here doing my break and I am doing the things I love. Number one is content creation. I love writing content, but because I've been so busy, you know how busy I was because I have a full-time job, and then I went into pop-up markets, retail markets, and because I am a creator, I create crafts. So I'm setting up my online store for hair accessories. Take note, stickers, you know, feel good stuff. Stuff that make we women feel good. Stuff that we will want to give to people that we love, right? But mostly for feel good accessories, right? Anyway, so I was focusing on that, and then I got sucked into the pop-up market, which I loved. But see, it's a lot of work when you do pop-up market. You have to prepare your products, make sure you have enough merchandise for the duration of the market, and then you have to be there for the whole day selling your products. And I love selling because I love meeting people. I love seeing people like my products that I made from scratch, right? So I'll have them online too. So if you're looking for good scrunchies, you know, hair accessories, headbands, and all that stuff, they will be on my website, perfectlittlethings.com. But see, right now, I'm enjoying some free time, some relaxation. And so I'm filming this because I love content creation. So I love connecting with you guys. I love sharing my story and then asking for feedback and hearing you share your story or your comments, right? I like that. And then I've gone back to dancing. So today I went back to dancing. I've always been going to the gym. I've always done that even if I was feeling so overwhelmed in my everyday life. I made sure that I went to the gym. If I didn't go to the gym, I tell you, I'd probably be like really down, really down. My gym helps me keep my endorphins up. But see, I miss music. I miss dance music because I've been dancing since I was a little girl. So today I danced. I woke up very early. Well, no, not very early. I used to wake up like 5:30 because I had work. But now that I'm on holiday, I get to sleep in a little bit. Yesterday, I think I woke up after 6 or 7. Today, I woke up at 7. And then I fed my dog. And then we went out for a run. And then in the middle of our run, there was the downpour, so heavy rain, and my dog didn't want to go home. But anyway, we ended up going home. And then before that, I fed him, gave his vitamins and all that stuff. And then I did my Zumba, my warm-up exercises, about 40 minutes, 45 minutes. And then I studied this viral dance tutorial, Fate by Ophelia, Taylor Swift. So crazy. I already posted my video about Opalite, and I hope you'll find that. I hope you'll like that. I have it on my TikTok at The Real D, and I also have it as a short here on my channel. But I'm going to work on my Fate of Ophelia, the chorus area, and then see. You know, I love doing this. I love dancing. I like following viral dances and doing it as they are, or maybe tweaking it a little bit because it helps with memory. Did you know that as we get older, you know, we need to stimulate our memories all the more. You know, you're older, you're active, and then so as you get older, you try your best to be active. So all of these things, right? So I try my best to be active. So I'm so excited to share that with you. So things that I love. And then later on, I'm going to do a little crafting and then gift wrapping. And I also love embellishing the gift wraps. So I like seeing the recipient just look at their gift and go like, wow, they're not even opening their gift. They just look at the package. And I want to tell them, just look at the package. That's it. Or, you know, enhancing the cards, the greeting cards. So doing the things I love. So that's what I'm doing right now, and it's helping because, I'm relaxed. I'm not thinking of a lot of projects and work to do. I'm just thinking of doing the things that I love, and this is one of them. So if ever you're going through a lot of overwhelm, if ever you're feeling down and you feel like you're just so frustrated and stressed, stop a little bit, pause a little bit, and do the things you love. And, even if it's 15 minutes, take time, because, if you don't, time will come where you'll just feel so burnt out. And we all will always work a lot. You will have a lot of things on our plate. But if we do the things we love in between those, then it helps to stay sane. So this is why I'm sharing my story. So I'm always positive. I always have a good outlook about things, but I never thought that I would actually be affected by overwhelm. So before it becomes uncontrollable, before I become really, really anxious and overwhelmed, I'm now taking care of myself. And so I want you to take care of yourself too. Don't let overwhelm get the better of you. And I know a lot of us work so hard. Times are hard. We got to make more money. We got to earn more money in so little time. We're getting older. Resources are scarce. There are so many problems in the world that can affect us. But we have to survive, right? We have to survive. So we got to find a way to survive. So I just thought I'd share that. Even if you're overwhelmed, you can actually get through it. You can actually find yourself again. I hope you're liking this episode, and if you do, don't forget to hit the like button, share and comment. Share and let people know that there's someone like me, this 64-year-old person who's trying to empower women and inspire women to be their best version, to never give up. Because you know what? Until we try, we'll never know that we can actually do something and achieve it. And I believe in you. So let's believe in one another and support one another, because that's how we can all make this world a better place. Thanks so much for watching. I hope I see you again next time. Bye for now.